In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how I was able to fix my Qatar Airways app not working. So if you're currently also experiencing that exact problem, well, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So actually what you're going to do is to just close your Qatar Airways app, and instead you're going to go into settings. So go into settings on your phone, scroll down a little bit, and then click on general in here, as you can see. And now in here, we're going to scroll down a little bit and then click where it says storage, as you can see. So click on storage, and then we're going to just wait a couple of seconds for all of this right here to load. It's going to basically load every app that I have on my phone. And after that, we're going to actually find Qatar app in here to be able, or Qatar Airways app to be able to fix this bug basically. So now what you're going to do is to just scroll down. So I'm just going to try to find the app, and perfectly, as you can see, the app is here. So I'm going to click on the app, then click on offload app. Once again, offload app, of course. And it's going to load. Click on the blue button in here again. And what will happen now, as you can see, it says loading, and that means that it's going to auto update to the latest version, because basically me myself, I didn't have the latest version of the app. It didn't auto update for me before, so I had to do this step by step to be able to actually fix this bug. So after you have done this yourself, then this should be able to fix a lot of bugs that is currently going on with the Qatar Airways app. And if it's still not working after you have actually done everything right here, well, then what you can do is to just actually quickly enable the airplane mode on your phone and then disable it, and then it should actually reestablish connection once again. If you're, for example, using Wi-Fi, it's going to give you a better signal, and the same if you're using mobile data. It's going to reestablish your connection and give you a better signal, because if it's a Wi-Fi related or an internet related problem, then this can also solve this issue, just so you know. But hopefully after you have actually done this step by step, it's going to fix this issue for you.